Today I'll show you how to create a QR code for a PDF in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Sign into your Google account or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and open Google Drive. Click New, then choose File Upload. Find your PDF, select it, and click Open. Wait a moment for the upload to finish. When the file appears in Drive, right-click on it, hover over Share, and click Share. Change access to anyone with the link, then click Copy Link. Now open a new tab and search for Generate QR Code. Go to qr-code-generator.com, paste your PDF link, and your QR code will be created instantly. You can customize it if you want, or simply click Download and save it as a JPEG. That's it. You now have a QR code for your PDF. Simple, fast, and effective. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.